If you want to excel in maths and science, then do click on the link given in our description box and visit on the website of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya and do enroll on our Don't Memorize course, which you can avail up to 90% discount. Here you can enhance your maths and science skills with the help of our conceptual videos, flashcards for quick revision, mock test as per latest pattern of your exams with 24/7 doubt clearance sessions with the facility of masterclass. To get extra 10% discount in addition, you can use our coupon code, that is NT10. So for more details, check out the link given in our description box. Hello friends, so in this video we will be talking about organic manures and we will see that how this organic manures is beneficial for the fertility of our land. So let's move ahead with our topic. So at the starting, if we talk about organic manure, in recent years we have seen that there is use of chemical fertilizing is increasing day by day, and with the use of these chemical fertilizers, it is beneficial that it also increases the production of crop. But on the other side, it also changes the nature of the soil, as some fertilizers increases the acidity of the soil and some changes to its basicity.
Acidity affects the soil as it decreases the ability of plant nutrients such as phosphorus and molybdenum and increases the ability of some elements to toxic levels, particularly aluminum and manganese. So the soil will be called acidic if the pH value is less than 7, and it will be extremely acidic if it has a pH value of less than 5.5.
So as you can see here, that chemical fertilizer is really helpful in production of crops, but on the other hand, it is not good for the soil, as some fertilizers are increasing the acid nature of the soil and in some they are changing the basic nature of the soil.
So this organic manure basically improves soil fertility as it increases microbial activity in the soil, which causes increased nutrition which will be beneficial for the crops.
Thus, there is a need of using natural organic manure, which should be really beneficial for the soil also. So it is also becoming popular and more preferred these days as compared to chemical fertilizers. What are these organic manures? So the manures are the organic material that we mainly derive from animals, humans and plant residues. So the animal waste and the human waste can also be used as a manure for the development and growth of many crops, and plant residues is mainly the fallen leaves that we get to see around many plants are also used here as manures, which contain plant nutrients in complex organic form. Now let's look at the advantages of the organic manure to our soil. So it increases the fertility of the soil, which is really very beneficial for the growth of any crop or plant. It also improves physical, chemical and biological properties of the soil, and it also increases water holding capacity of the soil. As organic manures are prepared organically by using all natural resources, that's why it also increases the water holding capacity of the soil, and water is really beneficial for the soil because it produces nutrients and minerals to the soil, and it also acts as mulch. So this mulch means basically it is also acting as the covering of the soil, and it protects the soil as a protective layer for the soil. So now friends, let's talk about classification of organic manure. So basically there are two types of organic manure. First is bulky organic manure and second is concentrated organic manures. So this bulky organic manure are mainly required whenever we require manures in a bulk and it contains less nutrients in quantity. So bulky organic is mainly derived from animal, plant and other organic waste and green plant tissues, and this bulky organic manure is further divided into two parts, that are well decomposed animal, plant and other organic residues and green plant tissues. For example, here you can see that FYM, which is also called as farmyard manures. So these are always required in tons, or you can say in bulks, and it also have less nutrition quality comparatively. And if we talk about green manures, so these green manures are divided into green leaf manuring and green manuring. So in green leaf manuring, Whenever we add leaf to soil after collecting it from different plant, then it is known as green leaf manuring. And in green manuring, if a standing plant is directly added to soil before flowering, then it is known as green manuring. Now let's see to the second type of organic manure, which is our concentrated organic manure. So in concentrated organic manure, these are required in a small quantity, and in this they have a rich quality of nutritions. For example, oil cakes, blood meals, meat meals, others, etc. And further, these oil cakes are divided into two different types. First is non-edible to cattle and second is edible to cattle. So these non-edible to cattle are mainly which are not given to the animals for consumption, and these edible to cattle are mainly which are given as food for the cattle. So in this edible to cattle mainly they have a rich nutrition quality as it consists of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, which is a better option as compared to bulky organic manures. So this is all we have in this video. I hope friends each and every topic of this video is clear to you all. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.